Hello, this is my alarm, boxed in an old mouse, and as you can see, zone number 1 and zone number 4 is flashing, and that means those zones, their sensors are active. Zone number 2, zone number 3, the sensors are out. So this is during the day and the alarm is deactivated. So this zone number 1 is the door, zone number 4 is the window, and the flashing LED by the side is actually a status indicator. When it's flashing fast, it's actually saying the alarm is deactivated. When it's active, it flashes slow like the zone indicators. And here the blue one is the relay for the siren, and then that black one is the buzzer. And then here are the connections. Close. Zone number 4. Close. Okay. Zone number 4 is closed. Right. Come for the door. Zone number 1. As you can see, LED number 4 is off. LED number 1 is off. Right. Put the alarm on. Right. Okay. Right. As you can see, the LED is gone solid. It will go solid for some seconds. Right. Wait like that. The side LED will go on, and then the siren will sound twice. Okay. All right. Now the alarm is on. Right. Open the door. Zone number 1. Right. So. Right. Put the alarm off. Right. Alarm is off. Zone number 1. LED is flashing fast. Right. Press the key for 5 seconds or more. Right, okay. Right, as you can see now it's normal. 5 seconds or more will actually deactivate the flashing LED to indicate the violated zone. Okay, thank you. Done.